Bed Bath & Beyond has been whipsawing for quite a while now. If you track its stock price in the last few years, you'll find that it peaked at $80 in 2015, crashed to just $5 in the pandemic, and in 2021 got back up to $40 again. In the last few days, it skyrocketed again to $20 and then fell back down 40% to $11. This, my friends, is a roller coaster, and it's enough to make anyone seasick. But I'm here to help you decide, are its shares actually worth buying? Is it actually worth anything? And in order to do that, you need to dissect its underlying fundamental metrics and its balance sheet. So let's start off with revenue. This has been going down sequentially over the last 6 years, from $12 billion to $7 billion. To add to its concerns, it's been reporting a net loss for the last 4 years since about 2019. A loss which has only been widening and was $860 million in the year to date. That's a lot of money. But what actually really concerns me is the staggering decline in its book value, which essentially means total assets minus total liabilities. This was actually at a high of $2.8 billion positive in 2018, and now actually lies negative at minus $220 million. What this means is that it's got more liabilities than assets, and that is one step closer to insolvency. This trend likely means that they'll be wanting to raise some more funds pretty soon if they want to survive. And this may be in the form of a direct offering, which means that if you've got existing shares in the company, it could risk being diluted and the value of the shares that you own becomes less. Add to this fact that the billionaire investor Ryan Cohen, who was behind the whole GameStop furore, has sold his entire stake. This puts Bed Bath & Beyond in a firmly no-go area for me. I think it's hardly worth anything considering its debts and liabilities, so I would personally avoid the temptation even if it did go ultra low. If you found this useful, then go on, share your opinion, like and subscribe. This will help me do more of these videos for you.